Okay, it's a 2004 Honda Civic VP. Won it at the auction for $1650. So far everything is good. I just got a misfire. It just said multiple cylinders, so I'm gonna just do an oil spark plug change for all four of those. But for the most part, this little car is clean. I think this is a good win. The last 04 Civic I got was a two-door. I actually sold that one for $3,300. So for the $1,600 basically bid out the door after taxes and Manheim fees, that's pretty good. I can make it easy. $1,400 in profit. I'll even take $1,000. I'll sell it for $2,600. The interior is pretty much immaculate. It's a little dirty, but I can easily fix that with a quick detail. Got 171,000 miles. AC works. Everything pretty good on this car. It's another one I won over there for $660, I think. I'll get back to you when I do the spark plug change and let you know how it come out. Okay, took off the ignition coils there, old spark plugs out. Now I'm about to install the new ones. See if we can get this check engine light to go off. Okay, we got all four spark plugs in. Then I gotta put the ignition coils back, reinstall them, put the components back where it belongs. We're gonna get this thing started. Okay, moment of truth. Okay, started up real smooth, no problem. There we go. Got my what is this, a blue driver? That's just the brand scanner I like to use because when I go to the auctions I can easily slip it in. It's Bluetooth, hard to see, you can slide it in your pocket. And now I just got to use it real quick to clear this code and make sure we still not getting misfire. So just let's see what's going on. Give me a second. Okay, I just cleared the code and now I'm driving it. I'm gonna probably put like 20 miles on it, see how it goes, see if we can get a check engine light. I doubt it. The car started up too smooth. At first it was a little sputter, hesitant a little bit, but now we got new plugs in this thing. Pretty sure I can get about 3,500 for it. Give a little highway test real quick. I should start making more videos because I got a Nissan Murano that I just bought for $1,600, and I also got a Toyota Avalon 2009, had a bad transmission, so I need to start making more content when I buy and sell cars, when I detail the interior and all kind of little stuff. But I'm really not really into YouTube like that, but whatever. Got a little road test coming up. Be right here in Harbor City. Right now we supposed to be on lockdown. You see how empty the freeway is? You'll never see this again in California, especially not Southern California. So we're supposed to be on a lockdown because of all the protests and riots that we got going on. So you see the cars running good. This is really ridiculous. I've never seen LA like this my whole life. No traffic, nowhere. This is crazy. But yeah, you see, got the car up to 80 with no problem. The car got kind of high mileage, but it's a Honda, so you know these things last forever. Not having no issues. They accelerate pretty quick. Yeah. I think this was a good buy. So I guess I'll just come back to you when I make it back home after I drive about 20 miles, let you guys know if I get a check engine light. I highly doubt it, but be right back. So far so good. We're about 10 miles in and we got the O2 sensor and the evaporative system. It's the only two that haven't cleared for the readiness test for smog. The catalytic converter one cleared already that quick. Everything else, the EGR, everything is ready to go. Just got a couple more. It's just the O2 sensor and the evaporative system. So once we get those going, I'm gonna take this thing to the smog shop tomorrow because everything closed. Obviously this is a ghost town. Everything closed down. It's a few cars out, but that's a Target and everything over here. If we go into that parking lot, it'll be literally nobody here. They closed at 6 o'clock. But yeah, man, cool little Honda. Got it from Manheim, dealer's auction. Sometimes you get a lemon, sometimes you get a diamond in the rough. Okay, I'm about to pull back up at home after about 20 miles, 22 miles. No issues, so we're gonna see if we can get this thing to pass smog tomorrow. And we should be good to go to post it for sale. I'll keep you guys updated on whether I sell it or not. Easy money. Flipping cars for a hobby.